How to link Discord to PS4. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Ps4, and today I'll guide you on how you can link your Discord account to PS4, or how you can link your PS4 account to Discord. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to open up your Discord application there, and once you do so, you can open it up on your Discord application, or you can open it up on your PC. At the bottom right corner, you'll find the profile icon, right? What you want to do is you want to tap on it, and once you tap on it, you'll get an interface like this. If you scroll down below, you'll find the option that says connections. You can see there under the devices option. What you want to do is you want to tap on that connections option, and now you can see my Spotify is connected here to Discord. Now in order to link PS4, what you want to do is you want to tap on the add option at the top right corner of your screen that you can see there, and once you tap on add here, if you scroll down below, you want to search in for PS4 here, and you can see the PlayStation Network option. You want to simply tap on PlayStation Network, and it'll ask you a match made in gamer heavens. Certain features are only available on PS5, and you can see PS4 and PS5 options. Simply tap on start and then tap on continue, and what you'll have to do is it'll take you to the link where it'll ask you to log into your PS4 account. You'll have to enter in your email address and a password and enter in your account details, and once you do so, your Discord and your PS4 account will be linked. So this way you can link your Discord to PS4. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.